This is a brand new 2014 Nissan Rogue. This crossover has a continuously variable transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a rear-view camera, commercial-free satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, full power accessories, rear curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, a rear spoiler, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS, a keyless entry system, and a power driver's seat. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Andy Mohr Avon Nissan is located at 8867 East Highway 36 in Avon. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.